Is the UB Pro case from SUPCASE going to be worth it for the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Let's find out. So first off, if you look on the top piece on the back, you do get a built-in screen protector. That's going to cover the whole top piece of the phone. It's also going to be great when your phone is folded in, just because if you do drop your phone just straight down on that piece, it's going to be nice and protected. And if you look around the perimeter, you do get those raised edges as well. So you're going to be able to get a lot more protection for your camera lenses, because again, if you drop your phone on that piece, again, it's going to hit those raised edges, and then you have that screen protector too to back it up. In the middle of the case, you also do get an automatic hinge that's going to protect that spine piece of your phone, and that's going to move when you do fold your phone up and down. So that's going to move automatically, and then it's going to lock into place once you do unfold it. On the back here, you do get a built-in kickstand which snaps right in and right out, and that's going to be great for your vertical viewing and your horizontal viewing. And if you want more grip when holding your phone, you can also run your finger through it and use it as a finger loop as well. When it comes to drop protection, you do get 4 airbags at each end of the case, top and bottom. So let's say you drop your phone on the sides of the case or the ends of the case, it'll actually absorb that shock even more because it is going to hit that airbag. And last but not least, the phone case does come with a belt loop holder as well. You can pop your phone when it is folded in right into it. You can clip this on your belt loop, on your pants, anything like that. It's going to be really easy to carry your phone around in this. And you even do get extra protection as well. Plus the belt loop does move 360. So if you have any different angles that you want to try out with it, you can just rotate the belt loop any way you want it, and then you'll be good to go. The case does offer all-around protection for your phone. Also has a lot of convenient features like the built-in kickstand and the included belt clip. It'll all around just be a great daily case to use, and it's going to offer the most protection for your phone.